So this is a nice question. I notice many of our units are in newtons. They're giving us the weight, not the mass. I'm going to solve for the maximum mass, then I'll convert that to newtons, and then I'll divide that by 800 to figure out how many passengers. I'm going to do this just for the upwards acceleration. I'll let you try and figure out how to do this for the downwards acceleration. I'm going to do a free body diagram. For the elevator and its passengers, I'm going to use capital MG. That's going to be the elevator and all of its passengers. And then I'm going to have tension. Tension is going to be bigger because we're accelerating upwards, so I'll exaggerate it. As an equation, I would have tension minus big mg equals big M A, where again, big M is the elevator plus the people. Mass of the elevator plus the people. I'd like to see what the maximum big M can be. I want to get the big M by itself. How many big M's do I have? 2. How many would I prefer? 1. I'm going to plus the mg over. Like that. And then I'm going to use my classic Math 9 greatest common factor. I'm going to say, okay, big M bracket A plus G. And I can get the big M by itself. It's going to be the maximum tension divided by A plus G. It's going to be, apparently we can handle 100,000 newtons divided by 1.5 plus 9.8. This is the maximum mass in kilograms that we can handle. So it's going to be 100,000 divided by bracket 1.5 plus 9.8, close bracket. We can handle a mass of 88,049.557. 8,849.557. I get the maximum mass is 8,849.557, blah, blah, whatever that was. I'm now going to convert this to newtons. How do I convert kilograms to newtons? I'm going to go big M times 9.8. And I'm going to use my answer button here. So I'm going to go answer button times 9.8. The number of newtons that we can have pulling down is 86,725.66. 86,725.66 and change. Now, that's the elevator plus the passengers. What was the mass of the weight in newtons of the elevator? 10,000 newtons. So the mass of the passengers is going to be 86,725.66 minus 10,000 newtons. Again, I'm going to use my answer button. Minus 10,000 newtons, and I have 76,725.66, 76725.66. That's how many newtons for the passengers. How heavy is one passenger in newtons? The average passenger is 800 newtons. So, to get the number of passengers, it's going to be 76,725.66 divided by 800 newtons on average. It's newtons divided by newtons. The units will cancel. I'll just have passengers left behind. Whoop. And I get 95.9. Now, you might be tempted to say 96, but 96 will cause the cable to snap. We have to round down. So that's where we get 95 passengers. There's this answer. Down, you would start out similar, but you'll have gravity, big MG, winning tension losing. It'll be big mg minus tension equals ma, but then you're going to get the big M by itself. You'll GCF, you'll factor. You'll find you can handle more passengers going down. I'll let you try the down on your own. And I would argue this is all physics 11. This is tough physics 11, but this is all physics 11. There was nothing new here. Hope that helps.